Now we're going to deal with the latitude. Now the latitude, the equinox, and the biblical year's end is going to tie in together, right? Now, these same committee of men, they said, we need a 0 degree here, and we're going to call it equator. And this is where the whole equinox thing comes from. Equal day and night, right? Again, who is there to question the validity of these things, right? Now, they say here is the 0 degree. So, the beginning of the year is March 20 or 21st, whichever. Right? This is what they call the spring equinox, which they say equal day and equal night. Right? Now, the problem with this is that it's not the beginning or ending of a revolution. And as we go further into this, you will understand what it means when when the Bible says a year's end. Right? From March to August, this would be the movement of the sun, according to these men. It moves from here, go all the way up to the north, and come back here. And then it starts again here, September 21st. Goes all the way down here and comes back up here to this 0 degree mark. Right? Now, what is problematic about that? How many months are in a year? 12 months. Right? The year ends in what month? The 7th month. That's when you have your ingathering, right? This is synonymous with the tabernacles, the feast of booth, right? In the 7th month. Now, we can understand, they say March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Let's see, March, April, May, June, July, August. So September would be the 7th month, which brings it back to here, the sun's position, right? What is the problem with that? It's not the ending and beginning of the revolution of light, because it is the sun moves from north to south and south to north, not in the middle. Everything the Most High separates, they put together, and everything the Most High put together, they separate. The Most High said from the beginning to the end of 6 months would be the end of a revolution. From the 7th month to the 12th month would be the ending of the other revolution, north and south. And the sun passing through these 12 moons give us what? Different seasons. Some people may have 4 seasons in a year. Some people may have just a rainy season and a dry season, depending on where you are. So how can there be an international dateline for people in different parts of the earth that have different temperatures, different climate, different seasons, different weather conditions? All right, so we're at the equinox. You can see the date, right? And you see the position of the sun right here. So this is running through Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Gabon, Congo, DRC, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Kiribati, right? So we're going to work with the South America right here, Brazil. So now we're going to watch the movement of the sun. This is going to be the June solstice. You see the position of it, right? Now let's go 4 weeks ahead. 4 weeks. That's August. And you see the sun returning, right? Now let's go to the September equinox. Let's go 6 hours ahead. Another few hours. So you can see the sun is back at the same position. Let me mark it here. Sun is back at the same position here, right? Now remember, it was 3 months up and 3 months back, and it would be the 7th month now, right? So like I said, the calculations are correct, but nature does not go hand in hand with these calculations, right? Now let's go for the December solstice. Let's go 6 hours ahead, another 6 hours, and you can see the position of the sun. And this is, let's mark it. This is the countries here: Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil, just the same, right? And if you should go over in Africa, you'd have places like Mozambique, Botswana, South Africa, Madagascar, and you can go over to Australia as well. But we're dealing with right here, right? Now, what if you should go 4 weeks ahead? Let's see. Look at the movement of the sun. You see it's heading back up, right? And you see it's back to that position. Now, the problem with this is that when you're dealing with the Feast of Ingathering at year's end, it's the end of what? It's the end of a complete revolution from north to south or south to north. But these people say, no, we're going to do this in the middle. Not from the complete north or south, but halfway through, and we're going to call it equator. So it's not the ending of a revolution. But let's do this. If there are 12 months in a year, half of it would be 6 months. So in the 7th month would be the first month of the opposite side. So this is why they put September and March to give that illusion. But it's not the ending of the revolution of the sun.